Welcome to a world where property maintenance nightmares are a thing of the past. In this episode, we unveil the secret to keeping your investments in top shape with Alpine Property Management. Managing a diverse investment portfolio can be challenging. Alpine Property Management understands the importance of streamlining your investments for maximum efficiency. Our expertise in property maintenance is second to none. We've transformed maintenance from a headache into a hassle-free experience. Neglected maintenance can lead to disaster. From costly repairs to unhappy tenants, it's a downward spiral that we help you avoid. At Alpine Property Management, we take a proactive approach. Regular inspections and a detailed maintenance checklist keep your properties in top condition. We understand that maintenance can eat into your profits. That's why we've developed cost-effective strategies to minimize expenses without compromising quality. Efficiency is the key to successful property maintenance. We leverage cutting-edge technology to streamline maintenance requests, ensuring swift resolution. Predictive maintenance is our secret weapon. We analyze data to anticipate maintenance needs, preventing issues before they arise. Property emergencies can happen at any time. Our 24/7 emergency support ensures that your properties are protected day and night. We're committed to sustainability. Our eco-friendly upgrades not only benefit the environment but also lower your long-term maintenance costs. Considering selling? Alpine Property Management offers the "We Buy Houses" option, providing a seamless way to transition your investments. Ready to eliminate property maintenance nightmares? Partner with Alpine Property Management and experience the difference. Contact us today. Your investments deserve the best. With Alpine Property Management, you get expert maintenance, cost-effective strategies, and peace of mind. Tenant satisfaction is paramount. Well-maintained properties mean happy tenants, and happy tenants lead to longer, more profitable investments. At Alpine Property Management, we don't just think about today, we think about tomorrow. Our long-term value creation approach benefits property owners for years to come. Data drives our decision-making process. We analyze market trends, maintenance histories, and tenant feedback to make informed choices that maximize returns for our investors. No two properties are the same. We create customized maintenance plans tailored to your specific investments, ensuring that your unique needs are met. Communication is key. Our tenant communication app keeps the lines open, making it easy for tenants to report issues and for property owners to stay in the loop. In the complex world of property management, Alpine Property Management is your trusted partner. Our experienced team is dedicated to your success. We're not just experts in property maintenance, we're unlocking the future. Our commitment to innovation means you're always one step ahead. Are you ready to transform your investments? It starts with Alpine Property Management. Contact us today, and let's build a brighter future together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Your investments deserve the best, and at Alpine Property Management, you get just that. Your investment, our expertise.